Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're gonna explain a very important grammar in Arabic language. ضمائر الملكية. ضمائر الملكية. What does the word ضمائر الملكية mean? It means possessive pronouns. In Arabic, possessive pronouns are unlike in English. In Arabic, we have the word الكلمة plus ضمير الملكية. So in Arabic, the possessive pronouns come after the word, unlike in English. In English, you say the possessive pronoun first and then the word. In Arabic, keep it in your mind, the word and then the possessive pronoun. We got examples. So let's get some examples and everything is gonna be clearer for you. Let's get started. The word kitab. All of you know what does this word mean. Kitab means a book. And let's add a possessive pronouns. My book. How do you say my book? Kitabi. This is E. We have added the possessive pronoun at the end of the word and it's attached to the word. This word is definite. I forgot to tell you, you have to add the possessive pronoun to the indefinite word and then we got the definite word, my book. Let's go here. Let's get the other possessive pronouns. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabuki, your book. Your, if you're talking to a female. Kitabuna, our book. Kitabuna. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuha, her book. Kitabuhum, their book. This is possessive pronouns grammar in Arabic. If you got any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And if you would like to get online Arabic lessons with me one-to-one on Zoom, contact me right now on this WhatsApp number. مع السلامة.